Welcome back, children. So today we are going to discuss about the basic geometrical concept exercise problems. Now if you look over the first exercise 12a, so here what the question is given: mark a point on your notebook, draw a line passing through this point. How many lines can you draw to pass through this point? So what is given here? Mark a point. Mark a point. So I am doing the first exercise 12a. So what is given? Let us mark a point on your notebook. So I am taking a point on our notebook. So draw a line passing through this point. So draw a line passing through this point. How many lines can you draw to pass through this point? So from this point, how many lines we can draw? You can draw horizontally, vertically, cross. See here. How many lines I can draw? I can draw many lines. Means what is this? Infinite lines I can draw passing through one point. So what is the answer? Infinite lines can be drawn passing through one point. Right? Now let us look over the second one. So second one, what is given? Mark 2 points on a piece of paper. Draw a line passing through these points. How many such lines can you draw? So what is given? Mark 2 points. Now I am marking 2 points. 1 and 2. Right? Mark 2 points on a piece of paper. Draw a line passing through these points. So okay, I am drawing a line which is passing through these points. How many such lines can you draw? So how many lines can you draw? By taking 2 points. See here, if I want to draw, by taking 2 points, only one line is possible. How much if I did also? I will get only one line. So what is the required answer? Only one line is possible to draw. Only one line is possible to draw by taking 2 points. Yes. Now let us look over the next one, third one. Define and draw a ray. So about the ray and a line segment and a line, I have given the definitions. Clearly I mentioned over there. Right? Now let us look over the next one, that is mark 3 points on a piece of paper in such a way that they are not in a line. Okay. In such a way that they are not in a line. So I am taking fourth one. What we are doing here? Mark 3 points. So I am taking 3 points now. In such a way that these 3 points are not lying on the same line. Yes. Taking these points, join them, taking 2 points at a time. Taking 2 points, join them. Right. At a time, by taking 2 points, we have joined. So we have joined, then we got one line. How many line segments have you drawn? What figure have you got? How many line segments have you drawn? By taking 2 points, I have drawn one line. And again by taking 2 points, I am drawing one line. Yes. And again by taking 2 points, I am drawing one more line. So total how many line segments I got? The first question what he asked here. How many line segments have you drawn? How many line segments? 3 line segments. Right? How many line segments we got here? 3 line segments is the first question. And in that again the one more what they ask. What figure have you got? I got the figure a triangle. Right? That is a triangle. Yes. Now look at the fifth one now. construct line segments whose lengths are. So what we need to do? We need to construct a line segment. Now I am doing the fifth one. So the first question is what? Let us take A is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now let us draw a line segment by taking a ruler. Draw the line segment whose length is 3.5. So I am taking 3, after that 0.5 you have. So in between two numbers will have 10 lines, right? So from 3 and after that 0.5. So in that half, right? So from here to from 0 to from 3. Let us draw the line. Yes. So what is this line? This line measurement is how much? 3.5 centimeter. Yes. Now look at the next one. What is given? B equal to 7 centimeter. Let us draw B is equal to 7 centimeter. Take ruler and from 0 to 7 put a point and draw the line. So what is this line? This line will be 7 centimeter. The measurement of this line will be 7 centimeter. Right.